Hey guys, this is Rajesh and you're watching my YouTube channel Start and Fly. In this video I'll be showing you how to make an app that counts number of footsteps while you walk. The entire concept of this app is based on accelerometer. Let's see what Wikipedia has to say about accelerometer. Accelerometer is a device that measures proper acceleration. The best application of accelerometer is that while viewing an image in your phone, even after rotating the phone, the image stays in upward direction. Accelerometer sensors are very common in the latest smartphones. The concept is very simple. Where there is a movement, there is an acceleration. So hence where we walk, there is an acceleration generated, and this acceleration is measured by the accelerometer, and it's used in our app. So let's build an app to understand. Let's create an app here. Step count. You can see here is a sensors, and it is an accelerometer sensor. If you hit this question mark, you can find information about accelerometer sensor. It's a non-invisible component and it measures acceleration in X, Y, Z direction. Okay, so we drag and drop here, and we pick up a label. Now before that we need a horizontal alignment. Sorry, I could not do that. Okay, now we with this fill parent up to the screen, we'll rename this as step count. We'll take one more label. This label is used to display the count. Let's initialize to 0 when the app starts. Okay, and we need a button in any case we want to reset the count. Reset will fill parent for this. Okay, now we go to blocks. Now you can see that there is an accelerometer here, and there is a event handler. When accelerometer sensor 1.shaking, whenever there is a movement or acceleration generated in the phone, this event handler is called. Okay, then we have a global. We need to create a global variable called count. We'll set that to 0 here. Okay, and every time this accelerometer or sensor shaking is called, we need to increment this, right? So we set global count, and we need to add this variable, and we go here and we get this global variable. We'll duplicate this number 1. Now it's time to display the count on label. So you can see that if you go to designer, if you hit on 0, you can see it's label 2. So we'll go here label 2, and we need to set this value. So it's label 2 dot text, and we'll set with the global count. Now we can see that there is a reset button also. When you press the reset button, the count has to go to 0. So we press button, the button 1 dot click. So we copy paste the entire thing, and we can also print on the display also. So this is same. This one we set to 0. Okay, the basic app is ready. I will be explaining this in brief now. So you have a count here. Okay, the global count. Whenever there is a shake in the phone or acceleration is being generated, there is an increment in the global variable, and that's being displayed on screen. And if you click the button, reset button, the value is set to 0. The app. Let's scan this QR code. Okay, we will connect with the code. Now you can see the app is ready. Now I'll walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I walked 8 steps, but count is still 7. But you cannot get 100% accuracy, but to approximately 90 to 95% of accuracy is fine. Accuracy all depends on the kind of sensor you use. Let's hope you really enjoyed my video. Thank you so much.